Hello everyone, welcome back to all. Hope you all are doing well. In this video, we'll discuss about safety rules at home, on the road, and travel by any vehicle. The name of this chapter is Safety Measures. Which chapter? Safety Measures. You know what? Why should we follow safety rules? We should take care of the safety rules to avoid accidents. Accidents can take place anywhere, while on road, at home, and travel by bus, by train, by car, by bicycle. We should always follow the safety rules. We know that carelessness causes accidents. We must follow safety rules. They protect us from danger. Let us know about some safety measures to be followed at different places: at home, outside the home, on the road, and travel by bus. First of all, at home, safety at home. Many useful things that we have at home can sometimes harm us. We must learn not to touch or play with the following things. They can hurt us. There are some pictures of safety rules at home. First picture, fire or matchsticks. We should not play with fire or matchsticks in the kitchen. Second picture, sharp object. We should not play with sharp object like knife, scissor, and pen. Third picture, electric switches and wires. We should not touch electric switches and wires when our hands wet. Fourth picture, do not run on the stairs. Fifth picture, never lean over the balcony railings. You may fall down. Especially for kids, you should not stand in the balcony when you are alone. Sixth picture, do not push or pull anybody even while playing. Seventh picture is fruit and vegetables peels can cause a fall if they are left on the floor. Put them away in a dustbin. Eighth picture, do not leave soap on the floor of the bathroom. It can make you slip and fall. Someone might get hurt. Now let's move on the outside the home. Safety of outside the home. If someone says you, would you like to eat softy? You should always say, no, sorry. Don't talk to strangers. Don't take any edible from them. Do not touch any unclaimed thing lying in the park, etc. It might be contain a bomb. Next is on the road. Road safety is a major concern these days. There are different rules that we should always follow when we are on the road. It is a duty of every Indian citizen to follow the rules. While walking on the road, keep to the left. Always walk on the footpath. Watch the traffic lights carefully. Cross only when it is green for you. Look at first picture. Do not play with a stray dog. Never tease pet animals. They may bite you. Second picture, cross the road only on zebra crossing. If there is no zebra crossing, cross the road when it is clear. Next is travel by bus. While traveling by bus, we should follow these rules. To make a queue is a good habit. Always stand in a queue. Wait for the bus to stop before you get in. Do not lean out of the bus. Do not get down from a moving bus. I hope you have understood the safety rules. I request you all follow the safety rule, please. Bye bye. Take care.